ब्रेस्ट फिडिङको बारेमा हाम्रो सोसाइटीमा धेरै ट्रुथहरू छन्, तर धेरै मिथहरू पनि छन्। अनि कहिलेकाहीँ यो मिथहरूले मदर्सले अननेसेसरी प्रेसर र कन्फ्युजन दिन्छ। सो त्यसैले today let's discuss about 3 common myths of our society. And the first myth is small breasts produce less milk. But the truth is, breast size doesn't determine how much milk a mother can produce. Milk production mainly depends on how effectively and frequently milk is removed from the breast through breastfeeding. Along with hormone and individual psychology also matter. And second myth is babies need water before 6 months. But actually, breast milk already contains enough water, even in hot weather. For healthy babies, no extra water is needed during the first 6 months. And third myth is breastfeeding should be painless. But truth is, some discomfort in the beginning can happen, but persistent pain is not normal. It may mean the baby isn't latching properly or the mother needs support. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is different. Instead of believing myth, let's trust evidence and support mothers without judging them. Boli, let's talk about one thing every breastfeeding mother needed but doesn't always get: support.